Hello guys, good evening and welcome back. Alright, so in this particular video, I want to show us how to fold our sleeve and also how to draft it. So if you remember, I am undergoing some series of training tutorials on this channel by answering some of those hidden questions that some people do have or do ask. So here, this fabric I have is a stripe fabric. Now I want to teach you guys how to fold and cut your sleeve. To start with, my sleeve length I have is 17. The round sleeves I have is 16 for the biceps and 15 for the round part, the mouth of the sleeve. So here, you are going to fold with the biceps measurement. That is the 16 inches, right? You are going to fold with the 16 inches biceps. Now, you make sure that this folding is covering 16 divided by 2, that's 8, plus extra 4 inches. This must be the range where you fold your sleeve. It must be extra 4 inches in order to enable the sleeve to go around the bodies of the outfit. Now, if you remember, when we were cutting the front panel of the outfit, we added extra 2 inches to the front panel and also 2 as well to the back. So those 2 inches we added makes it to be 4 inches. That means you must add extra 4 for the sleeve to be able to go right round. So when you have done that, then you iron your fabric all in this form. You make sure you iron out all the possible rumples. Now, when you are done ironing, the next thing you are going to do here is to get your baseline properly marked out. So here, you mark out your baseline. You make sure that your baseline has been marked out. And now, because of the fact that we have a stripe sleeve, or fabric rather, you decide if you're going to make a turn up at the base, at the hem of the sleeve, or you're going to do regular folding. Now, the turn up effect must, the lines must go opposite direction from what we have on the men bodies. So now I think we are going to do normal folding on this outfit so that you will learn this one first. In subsequent times, we will learn turn up as well. So for the normal folding, here you add extra 3 inches for the folding of this top. 3 inches. You mark out in this form. Make sure that the lines will be connected in this form, and then you place your sleeve length. 17 inches sleeve length is what we have, plus half an inch, that's 17.5. The half an inch you're adding is to enable. Sorry, I didn't know that my video was cut off where I was trying to explain all of these processes. So let me continue from where it stopped. So I said the sleeve length we have is 17.17 plus half 17.5. So mark the line twice in this form. So once you have marked the line, you draw this line here, you get your sleeve length plus extra half an inch. And then from this line, you come down by 4 inches. This coming down by 4 inches is a constant we use for all male outfits. Now, after you have done that, connect that 4 inches to the sleeve edge here with this line. It comes all through in this form. So you have this line that goes from here straight down to this point. And I said, divide the distance into 4 equal parts. You get the middle. Divide this one again into 2 and here into 2. So from the first quarter, come up by half. Last quarter, come down by 1. Use your freehand sketch. Connect from here to the half an inch, to the middle, back to the 1 inch, and back to the 4 inches. That's how I got this curve. And then connect all through this way and go out in this form. So my video went off. I didn't know it has gone off up to this very moment. So do well to bear with me and learn from this explanation I just did now. So you cut all through this way. So now the sleeve pattern, this pattern is one of the best sleeve patterns you can have. Now it also helps you to have your armhole line properly fixed, right? So you wouldn't need to do much trimmings on your armhole. So that is why I prefer using this particular method of sleeve drafting. So here we are done with our sleeve drafting, and I hope this video must have explained to you the reason why we go about this method. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye for now.